Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Sid, and you are rolling with me, Sid. First off, I would like you guys to like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up on the video. It helps the algorithm. Click that notification bell once you subscribe. That lets you know when I upload any video in the future. And we're gonna go from there. This video is none other than unboxing. You see this box in front of me. Nice heavy box in front of me. This is what the box looks like in the front. That's what it looks like. It's got a heavy box. This is what the side looks like. With the writing. Nothing too special. The box has this type of, I don't know what that feeling is, but I'm gonna open the box and we're gonna go from there. The box comes with this here, Balmain, the B, logo B, and it has the instructions on taking care of the shoe, and I'm going to read this for you guys. Should I read it? No, you guys can read it on your own. It's just instructions on how to take care and how to clean the shoe. That's all it is. I got these from Neiman Marcus. Comes with the dust bag. It says Balmain on the front. Material, it feels kind of cheap, but I mean, it just feels like some sheets or something. But this is the dust bag. You put the shoe in the dust bag and you close it like so, like that. But that's the dust bag. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side, and we're gonna get to the meat and potatoes over here. The meat and potatoes. So I'm gonna give you a backstory. I've been wanting these shoes for like almost a year and a half. I've been online looking at them, checking them out. It's a very different shoe, and I like different stuff. I like to stand out. So I decided I was just gonna go ahead and get it. You only live once. Why not? I work hard. I do what I want. Why not get what I want? So these shoes, let me know down in the comments. Y'all already seen a little bit of it. Let me know down in the comments. Do y'all know anything about these shoes? Do y'all like these shoes? What do you think about these shoes? So these are the Balmain Unicorn neoprene unicorn sneaker. This shoe is kind of heavy. They're a little bit heavier than the Balenciagas. But look at the detail on it. You see this? You see that detail? Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. This here, it opens. Look at the side. Look at the back. Just look at the color of it. That's different. You know what I'm saying? Walking around like a highlighter. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the back. Can you see that detail back there? There's Balmain written back there. It also has Balmain on this here. Look at that. Look, it has the detailed Balmain written there as well. Check the bottom out. The bottom is sweet. And this material, it feels waterproof. Really, it feels water. This shoe was very, very unique. And I didn't think it was gonna look like this in person. I thought in person, this is a size 43, which is a 10 in US sizes. In person, I thought these were gonna look a little bit smaller. You see it has the Balmain, the B logo, the Balmain logo on each of the little knots on the back. Thought that was pretty sweet. It also has Balmain written there. Yeah, just a pretty sweet shoe. Like, look at that design. These are running shoes. But who's gonna run in these? Not me. Not me. Anywho, and I'm gonna give you guys a look of how they look on feet as well. And I'm gonna show you the other ones together. Look at them together. That's pretty sweet. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it look on feet, and we're gonna go from there. So you guys like, comment, subscribe, and just watch the B-roll of the on feet, how they look on feet.